Supreme Court has set the record straight after some questionable judgments by lower courts allowing rape accused to mediate with the victims. A bench of the Apex Court on Wednesday said there can be no compromise in a rape case by the accused promising marriage. The bench headed by Justice Deepak Mishra said, "We would like to clearly state that in a case of rape or attempt of rape, the conception of compromise under no circumstances can really be thought of. Dignity of a woman is a part of her non-perishable and immortal self, and no one should ever think of painting it in clay. There cannot be a compromise or settlement, as it would be against her honor, which matters the most."
कोई भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज, कोई भी समझौता जो एक एक्यूज और विक्टिम के बीच में होगा, उसको सेंटेंस देते हुए, पनिशमेंट देते हुए कोर्ट को एक तरीके से इतना कंसीडर नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि इस केस में भी कोर्ट ने पहले कॉम्प्रोमाइज को कंसीडर करके हाई कोर्ट ने पनिशमेंट रिड्यूस कर दिया था.
The observations are important in the light of a recent Madras High Court judgment. However, the observations came while accepting a plea from Madhya Pradesh government challenging a High Court order that had acquitted a man accused of rape. A few days ago, the Madras High Court had also granted bail to a man convicted of raping a minor girl so that he could settle the case by mediating with the victim. The Supreme Court bench described as a spectacular error the High Court order, which had allowed the rapist to go scot-free by accepting an agreement on wedlock. In a case that became a talking point recently, Madras High Court had granted bail to convict V. Mohan, who was sentenced to 7 years by a lower court in 2002, so that he could mediate with the victim. Legal experts were shocked by that judgment and had wondered whether the judge enjoyed immunity under Section 77 of the IPC, some arguing that it went beyond the High Court's inherent powers and was thus illegal. Inherent powers can only be exercised when there is no law specifically dealing with the issue.